Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek. On today's video, we'll be looking at the FX frequency tracer. Needs to plot cycle and frequency based patterns on your chart so you can visually identify repeating market rhythms and use those rhythms to anticipate potential turning points in price. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see on the chart, the indicator plots a moving average style line on the chart that changes color depending on the direction of the trend. Now, when price rises above the line, it suggests a bullish trend with the indicator changing color to blue for bullish and a blue arrow appearing at the point of transition. Now, for bullish phases, a red arrow appears and the price falls below the moving average line, indicating a strong or the appearance of a bearish trend. Now, this pattern repeats itself on the chart multiple times. Now, the alignment between the price and the plotted cycle gives you a structured time-aware context for how the market is behaving relative to its underlying frequency pattern. Now, if you look at its input, we have the time frame that the indicator works on. We have the length for the moving average. We have the sensitivity and the step size. And these parameters control the sensitivity of the indicator, making it more responsive, meaning it includes noise, or less responsive, meaning it smooths out the noise. You can also change the color of the indicator in the settings. Now, this indicator is suited for traders who incorporate psychoanalysis into their work and want a visual reference for repeating market rhythms rather than relying solely on price action or indicator-based tools. The psychoanalysis is not deterministic, as markets do not always follow predicted frequency. It can also change color, but it is non-repainting, meaning you can have a cue of the past movement. Now you can find the download link for the indicator in the description below, and also read more about the FX frequency tracer, including cycle concepts, usage example, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.